Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Family Nutrition Program, and today we're going to make zucchini fritters. I've already washed my hands, cleaned my cooking surface, and I also washed my zucchini before I started to prepare it, so I'm all set to go. So I did start our zucchini before the video. I cut the ends off and then I shredded it with a box grater just like you would use for cheese. Then I put the zucchini in a colander over a bowl or the sink and sprinkled just a little bit of salt on top, and a lot of liquid came out of the zucchini, and that is exactly what we want to happen, is for that zucchini to release its liquid so that when we make our fritters, they hold together. So I've got that all ready to go. Some of our other ingredients are a half a cup of feta cheese, 2/3 of a cup of whole wheat flour, 2 eggs that we're going to scramble up in this bowl separately, and then a couple green onions that I have washed thoroughly and dried, and we're going to dice the green and light green into the white parts of that, and some olive oil for our skillet. So I'm going to do our scallions, and I'm going to do like 2 of my biggest ones, and I'm going to cut off the ends and then go through and just dice these up. And this is going to add a great oniony flavor. Okay, so that's ready to go. And let me crack our eggs into our bowl and give those a whisk. We do the eggs separately because we don't want to mix our fritter mixture too much. So we want to add the eggs already whisked together because we don't want our fritters to be too tough. This is a giant egg. Oops. Okay. So give those a quick whisk. Now I'm going to add our drained zucchini and then just dump this all into the bowl. Set that aside. Add our egg and our green onion, feta cheese, and 2/3 of a cup of our whole wheat flour. Couple cracks of fresh ground black pepper to taste, and just a little sprinkle of salt. I'm going to mix this up. Should hold together nicely. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil to my skillet and let that heat up. And then I'm just going to take a dollop of our fritter mixture and plop it right down onto my non-stick skillet. And I'm kind of moving the oil around to make sure it gets coated. And I'm going to do another dollop. And I am flattening it down just a little bit, just like a pancake. Okay, so we'll do 4, and I'll kind of keep an eye on these and look for the edges to start to brown, and then I'll know they're ready to flip over, probably 2 to 3 minutes per side. That's good. I just plated up my first batch of fritters, and now I'm going to add just a little bit more oil and start in on my next round. I've plated up one and put a dollop of plain Greek yogurt on top and sprinkled with a little bit more green onion. I'm very excited to try this. That was really tasty. Give it a try and I look forward to seeing you again sometime soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.